Students, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What we are discussing? Do you have any idea? గుర్తుందా ఏం డిస్కస్ చేసుకుంటున్నామా? ఎనీబడి రిమెంబర్స్ ఆర్ ఫర్గాట్?
Sir, remember.
What we have discussed in last class, please tell me.
Sir, types of redox reaction.
In this one, what we have done till now? Just please tell me fastly. How many types of redox reactions are there?
Second, repeat, sir.
Generally, we have types of redox reactions, right?
Sir.
In that one, how many types of redox reactions are there?
So combination, decomposition, in displacement redox reaction, and non-metal displacement redox reaction, and disproportional redox reaction.
So these all we have discussed now. What is disproportional redox reactions?
The same atom undergoes reduction and oxidation.
So the same atom will undergo oxidation and reduction is called disproportional redox reactions. Next one. Okay. Next one. How to balancing redox reaction generally. This topic also will be there for us. What happened? Balancing redox reactions. For example, if I'm taking now, so how to balance redox reactions? Okay, and what is the method of approach we are having for balancing redox reactions? That is the topic which we need to discuss now. Okay, na students? So for balancing redox reactions, generally we are having two methods we are having. That is generally what we can say balancing redox reactions can be done in two ways. That is what we can say oxidation number method and ion electron method. Oxidation number method and ion electron method we can say. So what is how we can balance the oxidation number method? Okay, how to balance the oxidation number of method that we are going to see right now. Okay, na students? This ion electron method is also called as a half equation method.
Sir,
Also
half
we can call.
reaction.
What no?
So nothing, sir.
Half reaction method. For objective point, the approaches we don't need, but I will tell you. Okay, but I will tell you one trick also. First, let me complete that methods, and after that we can discuss the methods. Okay, na? What is the trick and which type of questions they are going to ask? Oxidation number method.
మేడం ది అడ్రస్ ఎక్కడ పెట్టారు చూస్తారు ఒకసారి లేకపోతే నాకు వాట్సాప్ చేసియండి అంతే
లేదు
నేను
Oxidation number method, first one, what we can say, we have to follow certain steps. Okay, we have to follow certain steps. A steps ఏంటంటే first one, let me write steps wise. First we need to write the skeletal equation. First step, write the skeletal equation. Skeletal equation of all the reactants and products. First step. And step 2, what we can say,
So write the oxidation number of each element.
next what we need to say, write down the oxidation state of each element and identify the species which are undergoing oxidation and reduction. Okay. Next one, step 3, calculate
So change in oxidation.
calculate the change in oxidation state, change in oxidation state, and what we can say, calculate change in oxidation state and what we can say, Nana?
And multiply the oxidation number, the change in
Okay, and invert this
Sir, could you move to the previous slide, sir?
1 second, change in oxidation numbers to equalize number of electrons gained and lost. And step 4 is balance atoms other than hydrogen and oxygen.
Sir, I did not hear last class, sir. So will it affect this class, sir, or else should I hear, sir?
No, you can do it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Finally, balance hydrogen and oxygen atoms by inspection method. See, somebody asked me to for previous slide, no?
Sir. Sir, I did not understand step 1 and step 2.
Nana? Hello?
Yes.
What you are saying? You are saying something, no?
Sir, I did not understand step 1 and step 2.
Hmm?
I did not understand, sir.
Which one?
Both the steps, sir.
Here I haven't took. I have set the procedure only. No, what to do
Okay.
during the reaction. I will tell you. No, by taking example. Okay. Let's take an example. Hello? Next one. Let me take an example. Magnesium by reaction with dilute HNO3 yes magnesium nitrate
Sir, what is HNO3?
nitric acid
Okay.
and nitrous oxide and H2O. Balance this reaction. This is the question given, Nana. Okay, na? So how we are going to balance this reaction and how I am going to use these steps for solving this. Okay, completed.
Yes, sir. Done.
Next, say what we need to do. Magnesium and dilute HNO3. No? First, we need to write skeletal equation. Okay, that magnesium when we react with HNO3 nitric acid, which will give magnesium nitrate. So MgNO3 twice plus nitrous oxide, that is N2O plus H2O. Okay, so this is the skeletal equation. Isn't done? Because whatever, because see, you should know the formulas. What is magnesium nitrate formula? What is nitrous oxide? That as you are going, as you are studying, no. So at that time only you can understand. Okay, na? Now see. In this one, what is step 2? First, we have written skeletal equation. What is step 2, Nana? What is step 2?
Sir, oxidation states.
So generally, what is step 2? Let me write. Should I write? I will write a steps 2.
Sir, Mg2 plus H plus 1, NO3 minus 1.
Writing oxidation state numbers. What we can see here? Magnesium plus HNO3, and as we are having magnesium nitrate plus N2O plus H2O. Let me write oxidation state. Magnesium 0, hydrogen plus 1, oxygen minus 2, nitrogen will have plus 5. And here it will have magnesium plus 2, nitrogen plus 5, oxygen -1, and it will have -2 nitrogen +1, -2 +1.
+1.
Where we find change in oxidation state, tell me.
Sir, magnesium.
Sir, magnesium. Sir.
Magnesium.
Sir, and nitrogen also.
So how many electrons transferred?
Sir, 2
2
electrons.
electrons, loss or gain?
Sir, loss.
Next one more.
Nitrogen 4 electrons gain, sir.
5 or 4?
4, sir.
Huh?
4
How many electrons gain?
4
Gain or loss? Gain by
gain.
4 electrons. Okay.
Sir, oxygen also gain of 1 electron, sir.
How oxygen? So here, sorry. Here oxygen -2. I have written wrong here. It is -2.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next one, what we need to see? What is step 3?
Calculating the change in oxidation state.
And calculated we have done no 2 electrons, 4 electrons.
Yes, sir.
Then what we need to inverting these numbers.
And equalize number of electrons gain and loss.
Inverting this number of electrons. That means one nitric acid is losing 4 electrons, whereas one magnesium is gaining. Sorry, one nitric acid is gaining 4 electrons. One magnesium is gaining 2 electrons. Actually, 4 electrons and 2 electrons. No, to make equalize, what we are going to do that?
This is multiplied.
So 2 mg by 2 mg 4 mg. We are inverting, no? 4 mg plus
Plus
2
2
HNO3 gives rise to MgNO3 twice plus N2O plus H2O. Okay? Understood?
Yes, sir. From HNO3, 4 are gaining. That we are giving to magnesium.
Yes.
The both have 88, sir.
Now what we need to do?
Sir,
Sir, balance all the atoms
electron.
except hydrogen and oxygen.
Balance, we need to balance all the atoms other than hydrogen and
This
oxygen.
is just a normal balancing, no, sir.
Normal hit and trial method only we are going to do that. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now see. Now step 3, what? Balancing atoms other than other than oxygen and hydrogen, right?
Sir, why only oxygen and hydrogen?
Because oxygen and hydrogen only we will go with oxidation first. No, what we can
Yes,
say, oxidation reduction only these two only, basically it will involve. That's why. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next see. So either 4 mgs are there. No, let me write right side also 4 mg. 4 mg. Let me balance first. Let me write. I'm going to do it in by steps wise. Balancing magnesium first. I'm going to do. Okay. Balancing magnesium. Then what we can write? Left side 4 mg is there. No. Right side also should be 4 mg. No, no, no. Isn't it or not?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Now see, next while balancing oxygen, nitrogen, how many are there right side? 2,
Sir, if sir.
10 it is becoming, no? Yes or no? It is becoming 10 only, no?
Yes, sir.
So now what I'm going to do, balancing nitrogen. So right side, as we are having 10 nitrogen atoms, but here we are having only 2 only, no? To balance, we are going to do it with 5. Balancing nitrogen. That means what we can say, 4 magnesium plus, if I'm writing 10 HNO3, which is gives rise to 4 MgNO3 twice plus N2O plus H2O. Done or not? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Next,
Sir,
balancing oxygen and hydrogen. What happened, Anna?
nothing, sir.
Now let me say magnesium balance, nitrogen balance. Now how many oxygens are there right side?
30.
30. And how many hydrogens are there?
10, sir.
10. Let me take it 5. So that means 4 magnesium plus 10 HNO3. So gives 4 MgNO3 twice plus N2O plus 5H2 I'm writing. Now see whether oxygens are balanced or not, just count once. Left side 30 oxygens are there, no?
Yes,
Right
sir.
side say
Sir,
6,
24
24,
plus 1
24,
plus 1, sir.
25. 30 oxygens also balanced, no?
Yes, sir.
Are you seeing or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So likewise, we need to balance the reaction. Am I clear? Am I clear, students? Let me do it one more reaction. Shall we do one more example? Hey, what happened? You are there or not? You are not. Potassium permanganate is KMNO4 by reaction with oxalic acid. That is, as you don't know formulas, I'm writing, but actually in your classes they will not give acid. In presence of H2SO4 gives MnSO4, K2SO4, H2O and CO2. Balance this reaction.
Sir, what is after by, sir?
Huh?
Sir, what is after potassium permanganate by?
RXN means reaction.
Okay, sir.
Students, you are not responding. Are you trying or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
సారా ఏం ఆలోచించుకో ఎలా జరిగింది అలా జరుగుతుంది మే 28 కన్ఫామ్ 100 మంది లేకపోతే ఒక 10 మందితోనే మనం చేసుకోదామా 10 మంది టీచర్లు పిలుచుకొని అంతే
Okay, na students. So I hope this problem I'm expecting from you tomorrow. Okay. Done. Okay. Okay, students, you solve this one. So I have next class also. We will meet you tomorrow. Tomorrow we will solve that, and second method also we will discuss. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Bye, Nana.
Bye, sir. Thank you for the class.